all a lie.
It was real. What we had was real. I know it was.
The things I said, I just needed you to trust me. That's all.
No, I know your story. You were a good person and you still are. You just made a mistake.
I left them! That's right. I lied to you. I only made a deal with Kima to get myself out of their miserable life. I left them. I left them.
Jinwoo, no.
I'm sorry for everything.
No, I wanted to set you free.
You did. You gave me my soul back. And now, I give it to you.